Hi, let's talk about volcanoes today. Deep beneath our feet, the earth is alive, it moves, it shakes, and sometimes it erupts. And when that happens, we call it a volcanic eruption. But have you ever wondered what happens inside a volcano? Let's find out. Volcanoes start deep inside the earth, in a layer called the mantle. This is where it's so hot, rock melts into a thick, gooey liquid called magma. Sometimes, magma pushes its way up through cracks in the earth's crust. The pressure builds and builds, like a soda bottle being shaken. When the pressure gets too strong, boom, the volcano erupts. When magma reaches the surface, it's called lava. Lava flows down the sides, and ash shoots high into the sky. There are lots of different types of eruptions. Some volcanoes ooze lava slowly, others explode violently. It all depends on the magma's thickness and how much gas is trapped inside. Explosive eruptions can send ash and rock high into the atmosphere. Some of these particles stay in the air for months, reflecting sunlight and cooling the planet. Eruptions can also create new islands and shape the land around them. When volcanoes erupt under the sea, they form underwater mountains. Over time, enough water and lava can build up to create an entirely new island, but volcanoes don't always look the same. Some are tall and pointy, while others are wide and flat. The shape of a volcano depends on the type of magma it erupts. When magma is runny, it travels far, and the volcano gets wider. When magma is thick, it doesn't travel as far, and the volcano gets taller. Some volcanoes even blow their tops. When this happens, the tops break off and fall into the giant crater below, creating a volcanic caldera. In some places, volcanoes happen over and over again. They form in long lines called volcanic belts. Most volcanoes are found along the edges of tectonic plates, where two massive slabs of rock meet. Where they meet, one plate often slides under the other. As the plates move, magma surfaces, creating chains of volcanoes like the Andes Mountains and the Mariana Islands. Other volcanoes form over hotspots deep in the Earth's mantle. These areas have magma that's particularly hot and gooey. The hot spot remains in one place while the tectonic plate above it moves. So instead of a line of volcanoes, you get a trail that looks like this. The youngest volcano is at one end, and the oldest is at the other. Volcanoes can be dangerous, but they also create new land and make soil rich for plants to grow. Lots of lush green plants and animals roam the areas around volcanoes. You might think that there wouldn't be much life there because the ground is so hot, but the soil is actually really fertile. You should never go near an active volcano. But if you see one in a book or on TV, you'll know that it's more than just a big old mountain. It's the Earth's way of letting off steam. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. That means you're one step closer to becoming an expert on volcanoes. Keep watching to learn more about volcanoes and other cool science stuff. See ya.